Hello, my name is Miss Thorne, and I am here to talk to you about Common Core, myths, and truths. We are constantly changing the way we learn things, and before you begin this course, I want you to have an understanding of what the math standards are and what they are not. So, what is Common Core? Common Core math standards are a set of targets, or what students should know, by grade or topic. In K-8, they are organized by grade and broken down by topic. For high school, they are broken down by topic, and the standards get more complex over time. They define what each student should know mathematically at the end of each school year, and they build on each other to create a deeper math experience. Let's talk about myths. A myth is a widely held but false belief or idea. In this case, the major myths are that Common Core is a method for teaching, or that they are the books we use. Neither of those things are true. That's right, they're just myths. The other myths are that they don't prepare students for algebra, or that there are topics put in the wrong grade or missing altogether. This is not the case. Topics are broken down so that students get a little bit more each year. Let's face it, the fact is Common Core was developed to help students figure out math organically. It focuses on skills and content knowledge so that students can apply what they know outside of the problems they are given. It scaffolds so that students are able to build a deeper understanding over time, and provides students with the tools to be able to explain how they know what they know. Thank you for coming to my talk, and I hope that you enjoy this class.